episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today we've got some... What the... duck? From Germany. Let's get to it. 3 minutes. Boiling hot water. Right there. And there we go. For, as I said, 3 minutes. And let's do our quote of the day from Momo Fukuando Speaks, quotes by the guy who invented the instant noodle. Last one was about golf. Number 285. Once I make a promise to go golfing, I keep it, come rain or come snow. With regard to getting wet, one does not get as wet in a downpour as going swimming at the beach. Yeah, but if you're in a downpour, a lot of the time it's windy and rainy, and the beach, if you're there, it's probably going to be warm. Nobody really goes to the beach when it's really, really cold. So there is that. But, far be it from me to question the words of the real god of ramen. So it's funny that I've kind of gained that nomenclature, the god of ramen. I mean, I'll love it. It's great. Thank you. But it's like, I don't know. I've also heard that Momo Fukuando was the godfather of ramen. Well, there was a Singaporean article somebody did and called me that, and that's like even worse. I don't know. I'm just a dude that likes to try new things every day. But yeah. I like to sample. I like to have new experiences, culinary experiences. But a lot of the other stuff I'm very regimental about. Like, I have 2 high caffeine drinks at about the exact same time every single day. I take my vitamins at the exact same time every day. You know, so I've got a lot of... Man, this weather is just so weird. It was just sunny a couple minutes ago. Now it just looks like Mordor out there. Hear that? No, don't squish me! Mimi, slug him! Go for the throat. Uh-oh. Mimi, Miles, get along. I'm doing the show. Mimi, finish your lunch. I'm gonna take your lunch away unless you eat it. Uh-oh. So, anyways, they're ridiculous. They're 4 and 5. They're ridiculous. So, yesterday, my wife went and did the materials pickup. That's what they have when your kid goes to school on the tablet. There's materials pickup, so you got to get stuff so they can do their little projects and stuff from home. Anyways, well, his teacher put a letter in there with the materials for him, a little thank you card. Basically, like, Miles, thank you so much for doing such hard work and doing so well and keeping the work at it, and you're doing great. Well, we looked at it and read it, and I look, teacher Sarah gave you a nice card. He looks at it, and what does he do? He reads it out loud, word for word. It was just like, freaking rad. Duck, 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 ducky, duck, 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 duck. Huh. No, it is. Roasted duck with sweet onion soup. Getting a little bit of the duck seasoning. I freaking love duck. I need to get back to Taiwan, and I want to go to Thailand again, and oh yeah, Malaysia. I want to go to Japan though too, and South Korea. I would have liked to gone to Myanmar, but I think I'll stay away from there for right now. For me, this is a middle of the road. It's like, it's not bad. Does it make me think, wow, duck? Not so much. Duck! Ducky duck, 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 ducky ducky duck, 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 duck. Mimi, eat your lunch. Yeah, duck. What do I want to add to this? I really don't have anything in mind. Oh, I was gonna put the egg on it, but I think I'm gonna use the egg in the last one. I have but one egg. I'll use that. The shichimi doesn't work here. I think just a little bit of sesame seed is a nice looking little bit of garnish. Might be good. I'm not using that. And of course, this is a place I need to go to, Germany. Let me go visit my buddies. I got two friends that live in Germany. One in Stuttgart and one in, I think he lives in Berlin. All right. Rotato music. and gentlemen, it's time for the last one of the week next. The last one of the series, too. This is Sriracha Ramen Noodle Soup, beef flavor. Catch it tomorrow. Have a good one. Bye-bye.